Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of VS Code. In this video, I am going to show you 5 VS Code theme extension. So stick to the end to make your coding more effective. Number 1. Open VS Code, then click on Extensions tab and search Cobalt. Download Cobalt Theme Dark. Since I have already downloaded it, I will just set the color theme and then enable it. Now click on the option you want. There is only one option, so you don't have other option. Now you can see the code written also changes color. Number 2. This time search for jellyfish and then download it. Then set color theme, it is mainly pink color, which I highly recommend for Pookie Gang. OK girls can also use it. Remember, not a single extension is sponsored and they are all free to use. Color theme extensions is only to change the interface of the app. Depends upon the mood, you can change it. Number 3. This time search for night owl. Then click it, then download it. Set the color you want, but night owl is mainly used for white contrast. Have a look how different it is. It is mainly white and gray. If you watched this far, make sure to hit like button to appreciate yourself, because humans have lost 97% of attention span because of watching shorts and reels. Anyways, back to the video. Number 4. Pale Night Theme. Search it in the extension search. While I am searching, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to get more videos like that. Download it, then click on the Enable button. Set the color theme to Pale Night Theme. Now listen carefully. This Pale Night Theme extension is used by millions of users and tutors online. Most of the tutorials have this extension. And the fun fact that I also use this theme extension. Number 5. Tokyo Night. It was made to show the beautiful streets and roads of Japan at night. Download and activate. Select any of the options. With the light red color and purple color, it gives a beauty to VS Code while coding, and make us stay tuned to code till the end, just like you watch till the end. If you want content like this, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to get the latest videos. If you loved this video, you will love the next one.